Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer, and here we have to enter this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the settings, and here let's tap on call blocking. And as you can see, this is our blacklist, which is obviously right now empty, so all you have to do is to simply tap on add a number, and here you can enter the number you want to block and tap on block. And as you can see, it immediately appears right here, so it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Obviously you can unblock it just by tapping on this X button right next to it and confirming it. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.